When writing Algorand smart contracts, you will often encounter writing code that does something with an Algorand account. So Algorand Python provide the account type to streamline account operations. Let's dive right in. To start using the account type in your contract, you need to import it from the AlgoPy module like this. The account type is one of the reference types that represents an Algorand account, backed by a byte array that serves as the public key. It provides several properties and methods that you can use to interact with an account inside a smart contract. Let's explore what properties and methods the account type has. Let's first look at some key properties that are often used inside of the smart contract. The balance property indicates the account balance in microalgos, so you can use this property if you need to check how much algos the account holds. The total asset property returns the number of Algorand standard assets held by this account. The min balance property returns the minimum required balance in microalgos for the account. There are also other properties available for you, which I will show you on the screen for 3 seconds. You can pause the video to see all of the available properties. Note that for all these properties, the account must be an available resource. So when calling a contract method that refers to a certain account, the method call must include the account reference in the foreign array. Account type also provide a useful method named isOptedIn. This method returns true if the account is opted into an asset or an application provided as an argument. Again, both the account and the asset or application that will be provided as arguments must be available resources. So for example, if you want to check if the account is opted in to an asset that has an asset ID of 1234, you can check it by doing assert account.isOptedIn and you provide the asset type with the ID 1234. In scenarios where you have the byte value of an account's public key, the from bytes class method allows you to construct an account instance from the underlying bytes without validation. And you can do this by doing account equals algopy.account.fromBytes and you provide some byte. For more information, check out the link in the description for the AlgoPy documentation and accounts.